Good morning. I thought I'd do an outfits of the week this week for university. I don't know, I like watching these kind of videos and I thought it'd be a bit easier to do these rather than like a weekly vlog. So yeah, this outfit's really plain and simple today, purely because I've literally got one lecture, so. This t-shirt is Primark. These mum jeans are ASOS. I realise they're a bit short on me, but you know, your girl's tall, so it's a bit hard to get longer jeans. And then I think I'm going to wear it with these shoes down here, which are Primark. So yeah, as I said, I've got one lecture, and then I'm going to basically write my notes up for tomorrow's lecture now. I know it sounds like really kind of over-organised, but like at the moment that's how I like doing it. Like I like doing my lecture notes before the lecture. And I did my ones for today's yesterday, if that made any sense. So yeah, I've also got a meeting at uni as well, so I will be leaving a little bit earlier. But yes, this is my outfit. So I'm back from my one lecture of the day. This cropped hoodie is Forever 21. This lanyard is like Amazon, I think. This coat is from Kangol. It's actually my mum's, so I don't know where you get it from. These are just some Topshop Joni jeans, and then I've got my Skechers trainers on because they're just super comfy. I'm actually going swimming later, so I'll probably get changed out of this again, just into something like a bigger hoodie, and then just some leggings or something, so it's easier to change in and out of. Sorry, I heard a voice. And yeah. Hello, I've changed. I literally look like the biggest slob right now. And I look really pale because I'm just taking all my makeup off. Because I said I was going swimming later this afternoon, so this hoodie is from Topshop, but like a while ago, so whether it's still on there now, I don't know. And then these trackies are literally from like year 9, hence why they're a bit short on me, like most trousers are. And then I've got my swimming costume on underneath. It's like a really plain one from M&S, but it's like blue at the top, like that. Because the ones from ASOS aren't coming until later this week, so I had to pick up one quite quickly because I'm going swimming today, obviously. The reason why I'm starting swimming is because I don't really do anything else, like sort of other exercise. I don't really like the gym. I don't like running, so the sport me and my friend both like is swimming, so we're going to be doing that hopefully weekly or like whenever we can fit it in. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it, like, because I do sort of feel like at the moment I'm either like in uni or in the flat, like I don't really go anywhere else. So yeah. Okay, so today's outfit might be familiar if you've watched me before. When I did my like week at university, I literally wore the exact same outfit. But I'll go through it again anyway. So this top is H&M. Wow, the arms have shrunk. And then this skirt is Topshop. It is a little short on me, but I don't know, I like it, it's kind of cute. And I've literally got 4 hours worth of lectures today, and I find it more comfy like sitting in the skirt or like leggings or something rather than sitting in jeans. And then I've just got my ASOS boots on again. These actually give me blisters, so I don't really wear these when I'm walking around places. But obviously because I'm sat in lectures, like, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, swimming went really well yesterday. Like, I really enjoyed myself. And like, me and my friend both sort of said how like happier we felt after we did it. Like, even though everything is aching me this morning, like, literally like my bum and my back like really hurt. Then yesterday it was my arms that really hurt afterwards. So yeah, I think it'll take a little while for my body to adjust. But yeah, I'm feeling more positive. I'm feeling a little bit anxious about going into uni though. Again, don't really know why, but I'll get through it. But yeah, roll on because basically Thursday's my Friday, so I kind of look forward to my Thursdays. So I'm like, oh, final day of the week, work-wise at uni. So yeah, please like and subscribe if you've got this far. Okay, I'm gonna sit up. Oh my god, sorry, everything's kind of aching at the moment. I thought I'd update you what's been going on. So I went to the doctors last week and they referred me to counselling again, which I guess is a good and a bad thing, like, because obviously counselling kind of upsets you first of all, then it makes you sort of better. So I've got my first appointment on the 9th of November, no, 2nd of November, something like that. I'm really like drained today because I've had like 4 hours worth of lectures with no breaks. So yeah, I can't wait to go to bed later, to be honest, although I've got to be up early again tomorrow because tomorrow's Thursday, which is like my busiest day at uni. So yeah, but I thought I'd kind of keep you in the loop. I always had a meeting at uni with like one of the mental health team saying like if like I needed anything from them, I'm like they're there sort of thing. Like if I need like to put a plan in place, like if I need to leave the classroom or whatever, like they'll do it for me. So oh my god, my skin is actually awful. Like I mean it's mainly my chin area, which is like not nice, but yeah, I thought I'd just keep you updated. And yeah, I'm still in the same outfit as earlier. I was going to get changed into trackies, but now I've laid down in bed, I can't really bother to get up. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. So that's the end of my outfits of the week video. Sorry the last half of it was like silent. It's because I was in the flat. My flatmate isn't very well, so I didn't want to be like vlogging and like annoying her. So yeah, I'm downstairs now doing some studying. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Also, sorry if I was a little bit off as well. Like I've had a bit of a dramatic week. I don't want to talk about it on here. Like everything's kind of fine now, but just some things went on. But yeah, I'm gonna go now. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.